morning, fam. Welcome to a new vlog. It is 4:30 in the morning and we are heading to the airport soon. I'm so sleepy, but that was my goal, was to get very little sleep so that maybe I can hopefully sleep on the plane. Right, babies? I'm gonna miss you guys. So that's the plan. We have our first short flight and then our connecting flight, and then we will be there at 11 California time because we are going to California. Obviously at this point we'll have already been. We'll already be back by the time this vlog goes up, and if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you've already seen all of our shenanigans probably, and I'm really excited to see just what we get up to. One of my very good friends, Harmony, lives out there, and her man, Sergio, and we're gonna meet up with them, and we're gonna do Disney for a few days and do like the Oogie Boogie Halloween party, and we're gonna go to Knott's Scary Farm and just do all the fun Disney Halloween things. And I'm super excited, and it's gonna be a fun time. Are you excited, Zane? This is for your birthday as well.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
Not today.
But soon.
In 2 days.
Yes.
29. Getting old.
I'm old.
Welcome to LA, Zane.
We are here.
It feels so nice.
In the pickup spot. The weather is nice.
I feel like I can already feel like such a difference in the air compared to Florida. We are here.
Hello.
We're at the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel. It's like partnered with Disney. Like I don't think it's like an official like Disney resort, but it's just like they're friends, you know? They have like shuttles to Disney and stuff. We just have a little lunchy poo here out in this beautiful gazebo. The weather is so nice. Like it's warm. It's in like the low 70s right now, but it's like so much less heavy than Florida is. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm really excited. So we're just gonna eat our little snack here in the quiet and just enjoy, and then walk around. The lobby of this place is so cute. It's like decked out in Halloween. It's adorable. But there's like a lot of gardens here. There's a koi pond, so we're gonna go explore after we eat. Just look how cute the buildings are here. It feels like a castle. It's so sweet. Koi pond. Look at him. I always just think that koi are just like super old and wise because that's what cartoons make them out to be. Look how cute they are. This guy's really wise because he's got real flowy fins. As someone who, I'm not a big like water person. Like I don't like water critters. They freak me out. I don't mind koi fish. I think they're kind of cute.
The one fish she actually likes.
And like this size would normally freak me out. Like anything bigger than my hand, I'm like, nope. Oh, they're so cute though. And I love that they're always like such a different color. Hey babies. Hey babies. How's it going? All these cute little details. Shadow's Garden. It's so cute. Here's our room. We don't like have the most magical view in the world. It's just a parking lot, but that's okay. It's a really spacious room. I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but our friends Harmony and Sergio are meeting us tomorrow at Disney, and they're staying with us for a few days here. And they've been here before and they recommended it. But yeah, this is the room. That's the front door. Turn here, you get the closet. You get the most yellow lit bathroom of all time, but it works. Yeah, I don't think there's really much more I have to say about it. It's cute. I like this tree wallpaper.
Yeah,
but it's nice. It's just super spacious, which is really nice, especially when you have multiple people having suitcases.
And the Wi-Fi is free.
Hell yeah.
And they don't make you do all this weird stuff.
I'm dying of dehydration. I need a drink.
Yeah, let's go get it.
I'm so thirsty. Just got done getting ready. I didn't really do much, just pretty basic. I just threw the pink shimmer from the Spooked palette from Gourmet Girls on my eyes, and then big smoky winged liner. And did my hair because it was looking kind of scary. But we're gonna go get some food now. Well, we don't need food right this second, but we're gonna make our way to the packing house. I don't know, it's like a 10-minute drive from us. So we're gonna get an Uber and hang out over there. It's like a big food hall. that I saw on TikTok. So we're just gonna walk around, probably get some snacks, and probably just make our way back over here because we are sleepy from traveling all the first half of the day. And then we're waking up early for Disney tomorrow. So we'll just kind of see, but I'll let you know what foods we try. I know there's a vegan place, and I'm sure we'll be able to just like grab snacks and stuff from various places as well. Do you have any comments, Zane?
Nope.
You ready for food?
I'm ready.
Zane got a boba soda from Pop Bar. This place is so cute. I'm obsessed. Like, we haven't even walked around yet and I already love it so much. How's your soda?
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's creamy.
I don't know if I like it. Let me try mine. Mine's lemonade.
All right, her frozen lemonade. That's good.
That's awesome. We're at the pie hole. Zane got a s'mores pie, and he's really happy about it.
It's really good.
I want to taste it.
Try it. Time for her to try it.
Oh, it's so sticky.
Yeah, she's struggling.
Oh, no.
Just get a piece. Right? It's good.
We're back at the hotel. The packing district is cool. Like the whole packing house thing. I didn't know why it was called the packing house, but we learned.
Now we know.
It's because it was literally like a packing house for oranges and lemons back in the day. Now it's converted into a food hall, and that's super cool. And there's like lots of cool restaurants and like little shops, mostly food, but a couple random shops too. That was really fun. I wish we had something like that back home because we would go there all the time.
Yeah.
What did we have? We had the little boba drinks.
Boba.
We had the pie, and then we went to Healthy Junk. It's like a vegan, like junk food type restaurant. We just like got a drink. Well, I got a drink. Zane doesn't drink.
They had an indoor area.
Got a
and
drink
this
and we
outdoor
split
bar area.
what did we get to eat? The
The potato
potatoes. Yeah.
taquitos.
Potato taquitos. Those were good. And then we got a pizza and a burger to go. Because we obviously were sleepy. Like we've been flying all day. So a little sleepy. So we just want to eat here, chill, relax. So we can wake up nice and fresh and ready for Disney tomorrow. I'm very excited. We're going to Disneyland and it's going to be a lot of fun. Obviously, we've done Magic Kingdom loads of times in Florida, but we've never been to Disneyland before, and I'm very excited to see the differences. I was watching a lot of TikToks the other night on like all the rides they have, and it's just so cool to see like similarities, but also very vast differerences and totally different like types of rides. What are you the most excited for tomorrow, Zane?
Tomorrow, Disneyland. I don't know. I don't really have that many expectations, but
I'm excited to see how small the castle is because Harmony said it's so small compared to ours.
I'm really excited to see the differences because at this point we've gone to Disney so many times that it's still fun to go, but there's nothing huge and new. This is like, it feels like we're going to Disney, but we're not because it's just a different place. It's like if they have just different park in it because it is a different park. So that's what I'm excited about, just to maybe do a little comparison, not in like a negative or judgy way, but like maybe ours is better. We'll find out after tomorrow.
I'm excited to see Harmony, of course, and Sergio. It's going to be so fun. I haven't seen Harmony since our wedding. Yeah. Well, both of them came to the wedding, but...
They came to the wedding, and that was the last time we saw them.
Harmony and I met in cosmetology school, so we've been friends for a hot minute now, and we haven't like been living near each other in a very long time, so it's just going to be nice to spend some time with her this week. You guys have never met her before, so you'll love her. She's wonderful. Yeah, I think we're planning on getting there right at opening, and they're arriving a couple hours after, because they have to like drive all the way from where they live and all that good stuff, but we are planning on getting there right at opening, so we're going to cram in as much as we can do tomorrow as possible, and it's going to be so much fun. This is the first vlog, though, of this trip. I decided I wanted to break the trip into multiple vlogs since we're doing multiple things, so I figured this first one can just be us arriving. We are in California. The weather is just so nice.
It is really nice.
It's like, it's been in the 70s today, like the low 70s, but it doesn't feel like hot or heavy. Like it's more the heaviness. Like I can truly feel how light the air feels here compared to Florida. It's just wonderful. I really like it. But yeah, do you have anything you want to add, Zane? What were your highlights today?
Probably
that pie.
The pie was really good. I think my highlights though was just the trip here. Like it went really smoothly.
We got here 30 minutes early. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier.
Yeah, I mean there was a small issue with like of course where we landed in Charlotte was the opposite side of where we needed to be.
Yeah.
So we stopped in like just the to go food place and grab some stuff, some basic stuff, and then we got to the gate when they were like final call. So we literally all we did was I peed, and then we wanted to get real food, but we were like, we're not gonna have time. We'll just stop at one of those really quick like stood in line at
grab
a
food and
bagel
go.
place for 2 seconds.
Literally 2 seconds.
I looked at my phone. It said boarding now. I said nope, we gotta go. And it
So we
had time of how long
speed
your walk
bought
is.
the
So
most.
It was like 15-minute walk.
Yeah,
we got PB&J.
Expensive PB&Js.
Very expensive PB&Js.
$10 each, and they weren't awful, but it was like the lightest spread of peanut butter with like a glob of jelly in the middle. But it fed us, and that's all that matters. But we were walking up as it was saying final call. Like I can't believe we cut it that close, and we weren't even lollygagging. It's just.
You had to get there. I mean, if it was a bigger airport, we wouldn't have made it at all. So
yeah, it was fine though. We made it, and then we got here early, and it's been wonderful. So yeah, that's the first day. It feels weird that we're on like the opposite side of the country. I've never been over here before. Before today, like the furthest west I've ever been is Houston.
Yeah,
which isn't west at all.
For both of us, this is the furthest.
We'll definitely come back to California in the future because we do want to spend some time in San Francisco and we want to do San Diego, but we didn't want to cram it all into one trip because they're just so far apart. So very specifically doing Disney and Halloween-y things today. Well, not today.
Yeah.
This week.
This week.
So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave some airplane emojis because we traveled across the country. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you haven't already. I'm posting every day in October. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.